Hello, beautiful friends. Do you guys struggle with decorating for the holidays? Well, come with me today because I'm going to show you some simple tips and tricks that you can decorate any front porch of any size on any budget. I love to decorate and I've been doing it for a long time, so follow me today. Today we're going to be redecorating this porch and this bench area and repotting some plants, and you will have the tools to go buy one mum, one pumpkin, one wreath, and maybe a throw. Now go find your passion and start your decorating journey today. Okay, we want to repot these planters, so we got to remove the tired leftover flowers. So let's do that real quick. All right, now we're ready for some mums. All right, you guys, I'm gonna give the little boxwood in here a little trim, just a little one. I don't want to cut too much because it's hot today. Eventually, I want it to be a round ball. All right, guys, a few little mums in this basket or this crock. Just as easy as that. We're gonna just switch out these wreaths real fast. All right, and then we're just gonna place a few pillows. And remember, reuse your pillows. This is the hardest part.
Squeeze it.
You can squeeze it in there if you fold it a little. Just like that. Stuff it in there. Okay, and look how beautiful this pillow is. It's a little lopsided. And then you guys, a little rug. One more pillow. And it's just that easy, you guys. So this is what I'm saying. We can go and get one pumpkin, one mum, one pillow, maybe a wreath. Get you a little throw and some mums. Okay, so now let's just get a little basket, a mum, just pop it right in there, and we'll just add a pumpkin. And you guys, that's it. If you want to keep it simple, we did pillows, a mum, a pumpkin, a throw, and a couple wreaths. And we just planted up the little container. You guys can do this. And now, for all of you that like to go a little extreme, continue watching, because I'm prepping for our Circleville pumpkin show that'll be here in the end of October. And we're gonna just really fall this out.
All right, we are about to start the crazy fall stuff. The first things we're going to hang are these banners. Welcome fall. We're going to put them right along the sides of the front door.
All right. So handyman Steve surprised me with this little holder, but we're going to put mums and pumpkins on it.
Okay, remember the video we did with we planted all these mums in the little pots, the assembly line? Well, we're going to use them now. We were planting them in preparation for this pumpkin tiered plant holder.
Okay, we're going to plant these planters up, a mum and a kale. And let's just place in our crocks and our baskets. All right, so you guys, it's a method to my madness here, but we're just sitting the containers going down the aisle. Then we'll come back and fill them in with mums and plants. But I want to put this mum in this planter. I pulled out the old summer flower, and now we'll put a fresh mum in. And I like the Dusty Miller. So that's pretty.
As you can see, we went crazy with the fall, but we're getting pumpkin show ready. Circleville Pumpkin Show is something everyone needs to see. And we are getting ready, and we're gonna keep going. I have one last touch. I'm gonna stick this right there. And we're gonna give you a tour, a little close-up of all of this. You guys go out and find your passion today.
If you've enjoyed our content, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you don't miss all of our fall content coming up. Thank you for watching.